Hello guys, in the present video I will show you my latest purchase for the VIOFO A129 Duo dash camera, the wireless Bluetooth remote control. This is also compatible with the 139 series dashboard cameras, and I made the purchase because unfortunately the button right here started to go bad on me. It doesn't save the recordings all the time, although I press it, and some other times in order to save it I have to press it like 3 times, or to press it way longer than just a simple touch. I wanted to purchase this wireless remote control for a long time, but I said it wasn't necessary. Well, right now it is. It's very nice that it's compatible with the newer models, also basically with the most expensive dash camera VIOFO has to offer right now in 2023, even the one that has a triple camera, so you cannot go wrong with it. If we open it up, and we'll keep it like this. Inside we have a small user's manual, some extra 3M adhesive, and a spare battery. You see, you will need to have the CR2032 type. So this will be the spare ones, and here we have the remote control, the Bluetooth remote. It already has on the back a 3M adhesive, and if we turn it like this, we can open it up and see that it also comes with the battery installed already. Put back this cap. Be careful when you do it, and simply make sure it's all tight up and secure. Let's power the dash camera. Okay, so it starts recording. You see, let's say if I press, this time it worked, but yeah, you know how it is. It's just for the sake of the video. On traffic I had numerous of times when it didn't save what I wanted. In order to pair this button with the camera, from what I've seen on the web, we only need to press it for 3 seconds or more until it is paired. There it is. It has that green, that blue light. And now we should wait just a bit until the this, let's say, 2-minute footage will be saved, and only after that I will be able to save it again. So let's see right now. If I press it, it's saved. It saved the recording immediately, so it's really instant. This is what I like about it. So yeah, it's really a worthy purchase, and you can imagine I won't have to lift my hand and let's say during a speed drive to see exactly where that button was or something like that. Regarding the location, I could put it something like this, or here. It should fit just perfect. But I'll see just a bit more regarding the spot, because once I put it there, I really don't want to have a second thought. But anyway, it's really nice, and I highly recommend it. If you would like to purchase them, I will be grateful to you if you'll use the Amazon links found in the description of the video, as well as in the comment section below. Until next time, stay safe, drive safe, and I hope you will not have to use it ever in order to save a footage in which you would be involved in. I wish you all the best, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye bye, guys.